Okay, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Linux Tutorials. You've probably already seen the video, the Lubuntu tutorial and review. This is going to be the firewall, the simple firewall configuration that you can use and download. It's also for Ubuntu. This is it over here, firewall configuration. So I'm going to go ahead and log into it. And this is what it looks like. It's very simple. If you notice right here, it's called, let's see here, you go under About, and that's the name of it right there, the GUFW firewall. You should be able to download it. It's a very uncomplicated firewall. Nothing, you don't have to know anything real extensive about it. Probably a lot like maybe a Windows firewall, even though you can actually get into Windows firewall and do a bunch of different things. But this gives you just a simple way of protecting your PC and not having anybody try to hack into it. But the good news about Linux is that it's not near as prevalent as Windows. Like Windows takes up about, or Windows is on 80% or more of computers globally. So Linux is, of course, is a small percentage of that. But still, it's good to have that extra protection. It's always good to know that you have a firewall. All right, that's it, guys, and you can download that from the software, software downloader, or you can probably install it as well through your terminal. All right, guys, thank you.